In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert crypto on the Coinbase application. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Coinbase like you normally would. Go to the top left and then select on these 9 dots right over here. And then over here, you want to go ahead and press on this option that says convert. Once you're over here, you will now have the option to convert between cryptocurrency. So first of all, select on the asset you currently have. So at the moment, I have Bitcoin and XRP. So for this video, I'm just going to be using Bitcoin, and then you guys can convert it to any other cryptocurrency. So it could be Ethereum, or you guys can go ahead and just search it up right over here. There's a lot of different options, but whichever one will do the trick. And from here, all you want to do is you want to pick out how much money you would actually like to convert. So for this video, I'm going to be converting $1 worth of Bitcoin to Ethereum. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on review order once you're done with that, and then go ahead and press on convert now. And if you guys are wondering, yes, there is like a hidden fee somewhere in there. So please keep that in mind. They don't really tell you that there's a fee, but there actually is a fee. So that's a little bit unfortunate, guys. So just make sure to go ahead and keep that in mind. But anyways, guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.